The work of a chef is interesting, and their dishes almost always look like works of art. To master the talent of cooking, a minimum of 10,000 hours of daily practice is necessary. Look at how, using bricks and cement solution, you can give a car a new look, but personally, I would refuse to drive it in the future. The person who came up with giving such texture to glass probably broke many glasses before learning to do it right. When you see how this girl effortlessly uses a spatula in her own technique, it seems so easy and simple. Threading a needle is a big problem in everyday life, but doing it with a mechanical loader is practically an impossible task. But not for this master. Before you, Miracle Boots of own design, created specifically for finishing work for people with short stature. Only the coordinated work of a team will help in assembling pineapples and other fruits, and not only. The master works only from memory, without making preliminary sketches on granite. Actually, this is the welding process of parts for the future telescope. The process of making New Year's toys by these masters looks very impressive, and the precision is amazing. This worker seems to have left fear at home and now works calmly at a height of over 70 meters. Good brickwork is the key to a strong and reliable house. Obviously, the driver of this tractor should perform at various holidays. Hand-painted dishes can be a valuable gift for any celebration. Roof cleaning is now done in half an hour with a new technology. An ideal invention for simulating brick paving. The virtuoso on the excavator showed what he is capable of, as going down the mountain is not an easy task. This guy packs various sauces in rubber pouches and does it very amusingly. After his work, the wall is perfectly smooth. A new direction in home improvement is creating volumetric, visual objects. The process of hand-making fabric on many home factories. With the help of an excavator, almost all types of work can be done, including mixing. Thanks to special techniques, the process of road marking is automated. When applying drawings on concrete, workers use a silicone stencil. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.